Today I'm going to show you how to add dynamic smart zooms to your entire video in just a few clicks using AutoZoom. Placing zooms by hand on a whole video takes forever, and it's literally never perfectly synced. With AutoZoom, AutoCut places your zooms automatically at the right moment with the right rhythm. Let's go. Open AutoZoom. Select your section on the timeline and the audio tracks linked to your footage. Then click on Validate Sections. Now, the most important part, the settings. First, set your zoom rhythm. The higher you push the slider, the faster and more dynamic the zooms get. I usually go with a medium rhythm, you know, just enough dynamism without it getting tiring to watch. Next, pick your triggers, basically the events that trigger a zoom. The cut trigger is mandatory, you can't turn it off. You can add speaking to zoom whenever speech resumes or stops, and emotion AI to zoom on your most intense moments. And here's the new one, highlight meaning AI. It automatically zooms on the key points and standout moments in your speech detected by AI, and you have to specify the language of your footage for the analysis to work. After that, click on the preview to set your anchor point. That's the point every one of your zooms is gonna head toward. Super useful if your subject isn't centered in frame. Also set your max zoom level, the maximum zoom allowed. Now choose your zoom styles. Jump cut for a hard zoom with no keyframe, smooth for a fluid progressive zoom, or snap in for a fast progressive zoom. Personally, I like to check all the styles at once, that way AutoCut automatically switches between them. And another new feature, you can add a different sound to the zoom in and the zoom out for each style, or even import your own sounds. To do that, click on Manage and Add Custom Sounds right here. Then click Add a New Sound, and from there you can import whatever sound you want. After that, just head back to one of the zoom styles, like I'll click on this one here, and right there you can pick the sound you want. Just like that. Quick thing before we dive in, you can try AutoCut completely free for 14 days, no credit card needed, link in the description. Alright, next, turn on camera movement if you want to add a subtle handheld camera motion to your zooms for an even more natural feel. Last thing, pick your track selection, the target track for your zooms, and everything below it gets zoomed while your overlays above stay static. You can also ignore certain tracks for cut analysis if you don't want them triggering a zoom. Once everything looks good, click Apply Zoom. And that's it, AutoCut magic. Look at that, all your zooms are added automatically on your timeline without placing a single one by hand. The coolest part, every zoom gets added on a separate effects layer. So if you want to tweak one or delete it, you do it in one click without ever touching your original footage. Honestly, it doesn't complicate your workflow, it makes it easier. To try AutoCut, link in the description, and subscribe for more tutorials.